Today we're looking at another conversion cylinder for percussion revolvers. This time it's one for the 36 caliber 1858 Remington Navy, and it's chambered for the 38 Special cartridge. When using the 38 Special on one of these 36 caliber revolvers, you're kind of limited as to what ammunition will give you the best results as far as accuracy goes. Contrary to how it sounds, 38 Special bullets are actually quite a bit smaller in diameter than the bore size of these 36 caliber revolvers, so most 38 Special bullets are severely undersized, resulting in lousy accuracy. Because of this size difference, ideally it's best to use a bullet with a hollow base, since when these are fired, the base of the bullet can actually expand, increasing the diameter of part of the bullet anyway, which is enough to engage the rifling and help stabilize the bullet. The only bullets commonly available nowadays that have a hollow base are these wad cutters, which are popular for target competition and are generally pretty accurate in 38 Special revolvers. Let's see how they work in a Pietta 1858 Navy with the conversion cylinder.
Okay, so I have my Pietta 1858 Navy 36 caliber percussion revolver with that Howell 38 Special conversion cylinder. And first off, I'm going to try some factory loads to it. I'm going to try some Fiocchi 38 wad cutter through it. See how this goes. I have a target set up about 15 yards away. So let's see how this does. Okay, let's go look at the target. Well, that was a little lackluster to say the least. I was hoping for better than that, but well, that's all we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, not all that great. All right, I'm gonna go back to the bench and try something else. All right, I'm going to try some of my own hand loads next. It's the same type of bullet. It's a 148 grain hollow base wad cutter, same type bullet as that Fiocchi I just shot. But this is, again, one of my own hand loads, and it's loaded with bullseye powder. I don't remember what the bullet was. I bought these bullets years ago, and naturally I didn't label them, so I have absolutely no idea who made them, where they came from. I've had them for years, but unfortunately I don't know who makes them. But anyway, we'll give them a try and see how these work through the 1858 Pietta Navy with the Howell conversion cylinder. Okay, here we go. Right off the bat, these seems a little seems to have a little more punch than the Fiocchi did. Seems to have a little more recoil. And it's a very light load of bullseye powder too. It's a starting load. It's a pretty standard bullseye type load. And this isn't indexing very well for some reason. Don't know what's going on with the cylinder. It's not indexing very well. Worked fine with the Fiocchi load, but with this one it's not working very well. I don't know what's going on. Something's wrong here. Okay, we're back. I'm not sure what's going on, but something was binding up the cylinder there. Can't really figure out what the problem is, but all right, we'll try to finish up here. All right. So there's the hand weld group. It did shoot better than the Fiocchi. I threw an extra shot in there when I was messing around with the cylinder trying to figure out why it was not indexing properly. So I got 7 shots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a group of about 3 inches, give or take. So not bad, not terrible. Again, I'm not sure what the problem is with the cylinder, why it's not indexing properly. I'm probably gonna have to take that apart and try to figure out what's going on. But anyway, there it is. That's the 38 Special Howell cylinder in the 1858 New Model Navy by Pietta.
So the problem I was having with the revolver not working right had nothing to do with the cylinder itself. When I took the revolver apart, I found that this screw that attaches the hand to the hammer had backed out, and that's what was causing all my problems. Anyway, there's a brief look at the Howell Arms 38 Special conversion cylinder in a Pietta 1858 Remington Navy.